Okay, this is introducing a new service from LGfL, Freedom2Roam.lgfl.org.uk. Log in with your USO credentials and it should take you straight to the servers that you have access to in your school. There you go. I've got access to a couple of servers, so it shows them in the list there, but I'm just going to select the RDP server that I want. And there you go, it's connected straight into the school server. Just going to log in with my credentials for the school. And there you go, it's logging in. There you go, that's my school desktop that I would normally see. Just going to log out. There you go. I'm going to log out of the LGfL service.